Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can apply gradient colors to shapes and elements in your web design projects on Penpot. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your web design file on Penpot. Go to Designer, navigate to the given page with the given shape and select the shape here on the left hand side. So let me add a shape for the sake of this tutorial, like an ellipse, right? So let me do that, stabilize it like this, and then you will see the ellipse here as, or the element as a layer. What you want to do is expand the fill color tab here to the right, click into the color box, and here guys switch from solid to gradient. And here you will see these default stops, stop 1, stop 2, ranging from one color to the other. You can customize that. Let's say for example you would like to apply not 2 colors, 2 stops, but 3 in this case. Move the other stop, let's say here to the middle or anywhere you like, and then select this button or click into that button to add another stop. So now you can position these stops depending on where you would like to see the gradient effect going from one color to the other. So I will go with this setup, right? So after that, what you want to do is apply a color to each of these stops. Left click into it and here go through that color customization. Before do that though guys, you may of course also switch from linear to radial, right, to make it look like this, but I will keep it at linear. So let us assign a color to the first stop. To do that, click into the color box here and then choose a color from that panel here at the bottom. You may use that box here, that slider there, and also adjust the color opacity here, right? So let me go with purple and then continue with the next stop. Left click into it, select the color box here, and then go with the next color. So I will go with green and make it less transparent, and then also stop number 3, and the same, click into that color box, select the color, go with orange or yellow and make it less transparent. And that's how your ellipse with a gradient, linear gradient color would look like. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.